Summary for July 2018 with Australian Winter Weather Watch. This is what happened in July. It's a synoptic reading every day from the start of the month to the end of the month. And looking for these cold fronts that come across, how many of them there are. They generally bring cold weather and snow. So we'll count them for 2018, compare them to 2017. So here we go from the start of the month. Now, it sort of goes a bit low. 1, 2, that was cold there at the start of the month. There's 3, 4, 5, right up there. 6, 7. So 6 or 7 cold fronts came through in 2018. Now, let's have a look at 2017, and you'll notice for starters how much lower they stay in 2017. Here we go from the start of the month, and we'll count again. And sort of decayed away. That did 2. 10th of July, not much has happened yet. Big high pressure systems. There's 1, 2, 3, even though it's very south. 4, 5, say 4 or 5 compared to 6 or 7 for 2018. So there was more cold fronts, and they certainly came up much higher in 2018, and it brought pretty consistent snow. And I've got a picture here, if that'll go away. Software update. There's 122 centimetres of base snow at Thredbo, and each of those cold fronts that came across delivered consistent snow. So it's a pretty good snow season this year. But the headline at the start of the month was all about the cold and the cold mornings, but towards the end of the month it'll turn to Sydney's record warm July, because it was. There was very warm days, especially in the last half of the month. The start of the month it was very, very cold, but in the latter part of the month we got these very warm days from these high pressure systems that would sit over here and deliver very clear skies, sunny days that would warm up. You also get pretty low minimums as well, so there's both low minimums in the month of July and warm temperatures as well. But around the start of the month, around the 7th of July, it was actually quite cold, the days there, but the headlines got taken over by record warmth. And you see that on the anomalies, 2018 July, plus 1.37. That's a pretty big anomaly if you look at the figures elsewhere on that chart there. And interestingly, 2017 07 was also plus 1.03, so we've had 2 warm Julys in a row. This one, theoretically, warmer than last year, but there was more cold events, and there was also more cold this year as well. More cold fronts, more activity coming up from the Antarctica across this July compared to last year. And that's what it looks like at Perisher right now. Live cam, Saturday 4th of August. You might see someone ski past here in a second. No, you won't. Maybe next month. We'll see what happens in August 2018. There goes someone. Lots of snow in Perisher.